Hello, today I'll be talking about using Blender to incorporate different styles in animation. My name is David Cho, my mentor's name is Matthew Belwich. I'm currently here at Seoul, South Korea. The reason I chose to research this topic was that I wanted to use the 3D program Blender to make an animated film with a distinct art style. As you take a quick glance at the storyboard that I made, the story is basically about a boy finding the courage to stand up on stage with the help of his friend. Now, one thing you might notice is that the character is not really what you would expect in normal animation. It doesn't have eyes, nose, mouth, or ears. It's just a colored, stylized silhouette. And that was a deliberate choice because of two reasons. One, because I wanted to achieve a distinct animation style. And two, I thought it would be enough to convey what the main character is going through gestures, movements, and also sound effects. To explain how I animated the whole film, all the 3D backgrounds were made in Blender with curtains, the stage, the chairs and desks, they were all made using 3D modeling. However, the characters, as you can see, were made by something called Grease Pencil, a function in Blender that allows people to draw 2D objects in a 3D world. These two screenshots explain further how that exactly worked. As you can see, the bulletin board is in 3D and the character is in 2D. I drew the outline in black and then filled it in with a certain color so that it yields that special, weird, also new kind of effect of a 2D character in a 3D background. The story was based on my experience of getting the courage to stand up stage with my friends, and at the end of the animation, I tried to convey the excitement where you finally find the courage to stand up on stage. The thing I learned was that courage doesn't necessarily have to come only out of yourself, but it can come with the help of someone else, like the help of a friend, as you'll see in the animation. Please enjoy.
So he doesn't use metal. It's just what we. It is a metal-like term.
Yeah. All right. Son of Augustine style, you get me? Yeah. New whip outside is different. Ask me where the carpet, mind your business. New whip outside, I'm vicious. Ask me where the carpet, I'll admit it. Can't you tell that I'm riding with it? 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say, mind your business. Don't you know that my mind is different? Can't you tell that I'm riding with it? 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say, mind your business. Don't you know that I'm riding with it?
Thank you for listening, and this will end my speech.